John here with WPDevoted.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to change your theme in WordPress. So if you've been following along with my videos, I've taught you how to set up a WordPress site, and this is the basic default theme that comes with WordPress after you first install it. So it's not very appealing to the eyes. It's a website, but it's not what we're wanting. So once you're logged in, you go to your dashboard, and to change your theme, you come down here under Appearance and Themes. Select that, and now these are the themes that you currently have installed on WordPress. And you can click either Add New Theme here, or usually up at the top, oh here it is, Upload a theme if you have one on your desktop. If you want to search available themes right here in this box, and you can type in stuff like e-commerce, and you can kind of see, I spelled that wrong, I guess, and you can kind of see the different themes that you like. Or if you see one that you like, you just click install. Like we'll try this Buzz e-commerce. Click install, and then once it installs, click activate. And now you can come back up here and view site. See that? Now it gave your site a whole new look. And now that looks more like a legit website. Especially, we have no content. We have a hello world post we can check out. But that's pretty cool. That's for a basic free theme. It looks pretty good. And of course, there are thousands and thousands of themes. And these guys, these companies, they put out these themes for free, and they usually, what the deal is, they usually have a premium version. So they have a free version and a premium version. And if you like the free one, then they're hoping that you'll want to expand the options, more options and customization. Like when you go to customize, which we'll talk about that in other videos. But they're hoping that once you like the theme, that you'll go ahead and upgrade to their premium theme, which will give you more options in here in ways to customize your website. So that's why there's so many free themes out there. But anyways, it's as simple as that as far as installing themes. However, I want to show you another way, is if you had a theme on your system, on your computer, and you wanted to install that, it's basically the same way. You come down here to Appearance, go to Themes, and then you would click Upload. And now, once you click Upload Theme, you get this little box here. You click Choose File, and we'll go and I'll go through the thing with you, and I'll actually upload a theme here. Here we go. These are all themes, premium themes that I've bought. How about we'll up one for cars, maybe. Yeah, auto store. Let's do an auto store. So you select the file, go ahead and click install. It's basically the same way you did the other one, except for you're just pulling off of your hard drive. And then activate will be here. And now if we take a look at our site, we can see we get a whole new look once again. And now we got, see, this auto store type theme going on. So basically, that's how easy it is to change your whole website real quick. No coding experience. You leave all that up to the developers like me. And that's it for this video. It's pretty simple stuff once you learn the basics. And of course, you can always revert back to the old theme if you wanted to. But remember, it's appearance, themes, and then here we are. You can select any one of these and activate it. If we want to do a classified website, we can do this something like that. And then check out our site. And now we have a whole classified Kern County ads, real legit sucker going on. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, if you learn anything or know somebody else that might need help learning WordPress, because we all been there. We all got to start out knowing nothing. Go ahead and share this video and give it a like. Really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I'm new here on YouTube, and I hope to continue being able to bring you guys some good content. So thanks a lot.